Today I will demonstrate you for the calibration of ocular micrometer at different objective lenses that are 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x. First of all, you should know that why the ocular micrometer needs to be calibrated. Uh, Basically, its calibration is needed in a procedure that is micrometry, and micrometry is the procedure in which we measure the size of microorganisms. And for the calibration of ocular micrometer, we need we need two micrometers that are ocular micrometer and the stage micrometer. In this diagram you can see it is the ocular micrometer, and we will adjust or fit it in the eyepiece of microscope, while this is the stage micrometer. As its name is indicating, we will put it on the stage of the microscope during the calibration of ocular micrometer. This is the ocular micrometer, and in the microscope, I mean in the eyepiece of the microscope, you can observe this ocular micrometer as showing in this diagram, and you can observe that near about 100 divisions are present on this ocular micrometer, and almost 101 lines are present. Like if you start from here, that is the zero. If you consider it as one, then these total line will be 101, but we consider it as zero, and so total lines are 100, and one division means the distance between the two lines. So in this way, if you start from this zero and till reaching this 100, you will find that almost 100 divisions are present on this ocular micrometer, but we people are not known about the distance between the one division, I mean two lines, or on the whole 100 divisions of the ocular micrometer. So we need first to calibrate this ocular micrometer. This is the stage micrometer, and you can see over here written as 0.01 millimeter. Basically, this 0.01 millimeter is the distance between the two lines, I mean one division of the stage micrometer. And when you see this stage micrometer by a naked eye, you can observe this stage micrometer in this condition. I mean, you are not capable to see the all lines that are present on this portion. uh, and in on each stage micrometer, the distance between two lines or distance for one division is always mentioned, and for this stage micrometer it is 0.01 millimeter. And dear students, keep this thing in your mind that it is not a rule of thumb that every stage micrometer has uh, uh, one division that is equivalent to 0.01 millimeter. It may vary. Anyhow, the stage micrometer with which we are dealing is of having one division that is equivalent to 0.01 millimeter. And if you see this stage micrometer under the microscope, you can observe uh, that this stage micrometer has almost 100 divisions, and as one division is equal to 0.01 millimeter, or maybe 10 micrometer, then 100 divisions are equal to 0.01 millimeter into 100, I mean 1 millimeter, or 10 micrometer into 100 means 1000 micrometer. So each division of stage micrometer will be 0.01 millimeter, and the 100 divisions will be equal to 1 millimeter, or the 1000 micrometer. This is a microscope, and you know very well it is the eyepiece. This is the nose piece, and the objective lenses, they are adjusted on the nose piece, and there are almost four different lenses that are of 4x, 10x, 40x, and 100x are present on this nose piece. And we adjust our micrometer, ocular micrometer, in the this eyepiece, and the stage micrometer, it will be placed over here on the stage, and then we will calibrate the ocular micrometer with the stage micrometer. Now these are the steps for fixing ocular micrometer in the eyepiece of the microscope. First of all, you will remove the eyepiece, as you can see over here in this diagram. This is the eyepiece of the microscope, and you can easily remove it from the microscope. After removing it from the microscope, you will have to move the end of eyepiece counterclockwise. In this way, as this arrow is also showing that uh, uh, this eyepiece is moving counterclockwise in order to open the fixing bracket, and in this way you can remove this fixing bracket and then insert your ocular micrometer to fixing bracket. But keep one thing in your mind, that the printed side of the ocular micrometer should face down. Then put it back, I mean put this bracket back to the eyepiece. And if you will not follow this instruction, that you will not conscious regarding the side of the ocular micrometer, then while doing the practical, it will really tough for you to observe the lines that are uh, placed on the ocular micrometer. This is a very simple procedure. First of all, you will calibrate the ocular micrometer at 4x objective lens, and for this you will focus the microscope, and the main important thing which you have to notice is that you will find the any two lines of the stage micrometer that coincides with the two lines of the ocular micrometer. And if let's this is the image of stage micrometer, and this is the image of the ocular micrometer. And here you can see that the whole deviance of stage micrometer, that are 100 deviance, are equal to the 40 deviance on uh, ocular micrometer, as this line is coinciding over here and this line is coinciding over here. So in this way you can also measure for any other any two lines that coincides of the ocular micrometer and the stage micrometer. So if I consider that these 100 lines, sorry, these 100 deviance of stage micrometer, these are equal to the 40 deviance of ocular micrometer, then I can easily calculate the value of 1 deviation on ocular micrometer, as 40 deviations on ocular micrometer are equal to 100 deviations on stage micrometer. Then 1 deviation on ocular micrometer will be 100 divided by 40 deviations on stage micrometer, that are equal to 2.5 deviations on stage micrometer. And it's well known that 1 deviation of stage micrometer is equal to 10 micrometer. So 2.5 deviance of stage micrometer, they will be equal to 25 micrometer, as 2.5 deviance and 1 deviation is equal to 10 micrometer. So you will multiply 2.5 deviation with this 10, and in this way you will got the value for 2.5 deviations of stage micrometer. And as we know that 1 division on stage micrometer is equal to 2.5 divisions, so we can say that 1 division on ocular micrometer is equal to 25 micrometer. Okay, I mean 1 division on ocular micrometer is equal to 2.5 divisions on stage micrometer, and 2.5 division on stage micrometer are equal to 25 micrometers. So we can say that 1 division on ocular micrometer is equal to 25 micrometer. And now the calibration of ocular micrometer at 10x objective lens. You will follow the same procedure as discussed in the previous slide. Let's These are the images that of the stage micrometer and the ocular micrometer. And if the 100 divisions of stage micrometer, as you can see, these 100 divisions are equal to the 100 divisions of ocular micrometer. So if 100 divisions on ocular micrometer are equal to 100 divisions on stage micrometer, it means that 1 division of the ocular micrometer is equal to 1 division on stage micrometer. And as it's well known that 1 division of stage micrometer is equal to 10 micrometer. So 1 division on ocular micrometer at 10x objective lens is equal to 10 micrometer. Now the calibration of ocular micrometer at 40x objective lens. We will also follow the same procedure as we follow for the previous two objective lenses. As these are the images for the stage micrometer and the ocular micrometer. As you can see over here that these two lines, I mean this line and this line, these are coinciding with the this and this line of ocular micrometer. So these are the total 12 divisions on stage micrometer that are equal to the 51 divisions of ocular micrometer. So 51 divisions on ocular micrometer are equal to 12 divisions on stage micrometer. So 1 division on ocular micrometer will be equal to 0.23 division on stage micrometer. And if 1 division of stage micrometer is equal to 10 micrometer, so the 0.23 divisions of stage micrometer, which we will obtain by multiplying this value with the 10 micrometer, this is a 2.3 micrometer. So 0.23 divisions of stage micrometer equal to 2.3 micrometer. And it means that if 1 division on ocular micrometer is equal to 0.23 divisions on stage micrometer, and the value for this 0.23 division is 2.3 micrometer on stage micrometer, so this 1 division on ocular micrometer is equal to 2.3 micrometer. You can observe that as you are moving from 4x to higher magnifying power of the objective lens, I mean 4x to 10x, then 40x, the value of the ocular micrometer decreasing. It means that the size of the deviation, the image for the deviation of the stage micrometer is increasing as magnifying power is increasing, and the stage micrometer as it's on the stage, and it's as the magnifying power of the objective lens is increasing, so it means that the image for the stage micrometer is also increasing. Now the calibration of ocular micrometer at 100x objective lens. We will also follow the same procedure as followed in the previous uh, three slides. Uh, as This is the image for the ocular micrometer, and this is for the stage micrometer. And near about as by observing the concise line of stage micrometer with ocular micrometer, I can guess that almost 10 divisions of on stage micrometer, they are equivalent to the 100 divisions of ocular micrometer. So 100 divisions on ocular micrometer are equal to 10 divisions on stage micrometer. So 1 division on ocular micrometer will be equal to 0.1 division on stage micrometer. And as one division of stage micrometer is equal to 10 micrometer, so zero point 0.1 division of stage micrometer will be equal to 1 micrometer. And if the zero point 0.1 division of stage micrometer is equal to 1 micrometer, then the one division on ocular micrometer will be equal to 1 micrometer. Why? Because one division on ocular micrometer is equal to zero point 0.1 division on stage micrometer, that is equivalent to 1 micrometer. So in this way, you can easily calibrate your ocular micrometer, and you can find the size of microorganisms. Um, uh, they may be the eukaryotic cells, or they may be the prokaryotic cells, and even those slides that you make, you make smear for WBCs, and you can also observe them. Um, you can measure their size by calibrating this um, micrometer, ocular micrometer at different objective lenses. I hope that you are now capable to calibrate ocular micrometer at different objective lenses. Anyhow, for your better understanding, you can also use this YouTube link for the calibration of ocular micrometer, and for the measurement of size of micro